Hey guys, Gokish here, make more videos again. Today guys, I have set an LED strip that has never been done before on YouTube, but yet when I installed it, my friends were just like mind blown. So let's get this rolling. So without further ado, let's get to it. Alrighty guys, here's the actual box right here. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing to show you exactly what you receive in the package and how it looks like. As you can see, here's the literature right here. I mean, it's so easy. I'll show you how to do it. And this is actual content of the package. You have some electrical tape and also the actual strip itself, and also they give you this orange trim removal tool. As you can see here, this is all the package content. I'll show you a closer look of how the actual strip looks like. Now they give you two strips, one for each door. You can see there's a lot of LEDs in here. Some of them are red and some of them are going to be white. You can see that, the tape in the back right there as well, and you can see the ribbon cable right here sticking out. And you can see there's a little box right there, and then finally you have the ground and also the red hot wire that you connect. You can see the tape right there is super flexible. So this is what you get. We're going to install this bad boy. Now installing this guy, we're going to do it on the Highlander right here, and you can see I'm going to open the door and show you that it actually goes in the side of the door right there, and you can see it. And the first thing I'm going to do right here is actually use some kind of lubricant to basically wipe the side of the door down. Now it's not dirty because I did get this detailed before, but still, you just want to make sure. Next thing you use is the orange trim removal tool, and you take the bulb out that you can see right there, and you just unhook it, unplug it. Every single car is going to be extremely similar to this, guys. There's literally nothing to it. Next step right here, I'm just going to basically peel the cover off this tape right here and basically start installing the guide to the actual side of the door. And you can see it's really simple. I'm fast forwarded right here, but you can see you just go straight down. I mean, it's not fully plug and play, but it's kind of close to kind of like a great value kind of plug and play. Not the actual original plug and play, but that's what it is. See how simple it is. Do one last sweep all the way through and you're golden. And now the next step right here is basically installing the wire. You can see right here, you can just slide that box inside the door. There's some space right there, and you can see I'm fast forwarding this part right here, but you can go all the way through. And what I do is actually snake the wire in and use my fingers right there, and as you can see, this is how it's supposed to look right here. You have the original wire and then the new wire, and you can see right here, put the red wire into the power side and then into the ground side, and you can see it's already turning on right there. Really beautiful, nice, and ready to go. It's that simple. You don't have to actually solder anything. You don't have to do anything like that. Click it in place and it should work. And next step is a simple part. Boom, click it in place and you're good to go, guys. Now we're going to actually see how it actually looks and see if it even works. So without further ado, look at that. Super clean, amazing. I mean, right here, I'm not actually trying to see how it looks. I'm trying to see if all the LEDs are working, everything is closing in place. When you slam the door, it doesn't catch anything or anything like that. That's what I want to see. And you can see it came out perfectly. And like I said, I even showed this to my friends and they were just like, wow, like what is that? My other friend has a Highlander and she said it didn't come with my Highlander. It's a really cool design, guys. So as you can see, this is just showing you in the daytime, and then later on I will definitely show you how it looks at night. It looks really OEM. It is stretchable, it is bendable, and you can see it curves straight with any kind of door. It doesn't have to be in a straight line. So make sure you look for any wires sticking out, any parts of the tape actually coming off or anything like that. And then without further ado, we're gonna take it at night and let's see how it looks in the dark. There we go, we're opening the door. Look at that, guys. Absolutely amazing. You've never seen this before in any vehicle, I guarantee you. Oh my goodness. Super awesome, guys. Like one of the coolest mods I've ever done. You guys already know me. I love LED strips, and this really took the cake. Absolutely beautiful, guys. Look at the light output on the floor as well. I mean, before you just had, a small little yellow dingy light, but now you have all of this light to make sure you are not falling into anything or anything like that, or stepping on anything. Look how beautiful this looks. So professional. And then when you open the door on the street, boom, the car will immediately see the red light and know that you're trying to open your door, and the visibility will be there, especially in a super dark, guys. That's what it's all about. This is on the other side right here. Absolutely beautiful, guys. If you're a bicyclist, if you're a car coming by and you see your door open like that, there's a low chance of you actually getting hit with this. And I don't even park my car on the street. However, it still looks super cool and I'm loving it. I'm leaving this on, guys. Imagine putting this on your vehicle. This thing looks so cool. Alrighty guys, now it's time for your favorite time, rating time. In terms of light output, you guys already saw how bright it was and how much light output it actually puts on the floor. Durability, I've been using this for more than 5 weeks now. Open and close my doors multiple times and I don't see anywhere that this thing is actually coming off or anything. Also flexibility, where it actually curves straight to your door and doesn't get caught on anything inside your door or anything like that. And last but not least, I'm not gonna say plug and play, but you know, great value plug and play, because I didn't have to solder anything, I didn't have to tape anything or anything like that. I'd have to give this product a solid 9 out of 10. Now you guys may be wondering, why did I give it a 9 out of 10? Why not a 10 out of 10? It looks freaking awesome. There's only one thing that I wish this product had, was that the fact that I could change the red strobing to just solid red light. That would make this product a perfect 10 out of 10 product. Now does that mean I'm going to take it off? No way. This thing looks awesome. There are certain things that my friends definitely think are good, however this, they actually had a wow factor on them and they actually wanted it for their vehicle. So absolutely a beautiful product, guys, from CoSmart. Never seen this on YouTube. 9 out of 10, which is a really extremely high score. I'm loving it, guys, absolutely loving it, and I know you will love it. Alrighty guys, that's pretty much for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Links to purchase everything is going to be in the description section of the video below. You guys already know it. Those things are so awesome. Definitely a head turner and my friends loved it. But if you like this video, make sure you smash that like button. Other than that, guys, keep your cheers saying thanks for watching and peace.